and welcome to the Warner Library tutorial page. In this video, we will go over how to request a journal article through Interlibrary Loan. Let's get started. First, go to the Interlibrary Loan box, found here on the library's website. Eastern uses Rapid ILL to request journal articles from other libraries that own the material that we do not have access to. These articles will arrive in your Eastern email within a week's time as a PDF attachment. Select the Rapid ILL link to get started. Before going any further, please ensure that we do not have access to the article by double-checking within our eJournal list or Eagle search. Links to videos explaining either of these functions are in the description below. You will need to sign in with both your Eastern login as well as your eCard number. You will need to click through several menus, including one for inputting your personal information, but eventually you will reach the article request form. Here you will input all the information needed for Rapid to locate the article you wish to borrow. Make sure you have all this information ahead of time. The ISSN can be easily found by Google searching the title of the journal. You will need to confirm your acknowledgement of the copyright policy held by the university before you can submit your request. Once you do, you will be prompted to make another request or log out. Alternatively, you can go directly to Eagle Search or our databases and request an article through Rapid ILL using the link in Access Now. Doing so will bring you to a screen which has pre-filled all the necessary information, in which case all you need to do is provide your name, Eastern email, and Eastern ID number. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel and don't hesitate to contact the library staff for additional assistance.